Ngithi nguMashu uda ZEEOLOGY.
Mashu rap.
Yes! Sofa, sofa nembobo sesikhona Thoba nengoma ekusejonga Umafika izolo wena khona I say yes sofa nembobo sesikhona Thoba nengoma ekusejonga Umafika izolo wena khona Isakwa mashe nomashu sifake machine Esithi boy igudu nomziko simunqi phathini Kumikhanda vukulaka nama ngazi ngathini but as long uphethe mungasi tenta Motoli mali neshani nefemi then you fabulous Motoli hlahla nentambo nebenchi you can hang with us And tagging us on Facebook pics would be accurate And imagine this, me not sick, that's ridiculous Me no bavulela iminyango ngiphinde ngiqopha amasango Ami no banikeza isibungo distributor nensango Despite ukuthi sengifikile lana ngizoshiya umlando And you can only hang with me makuyi isgwebo Cause I'm straight suicidal, praised like an idol Started from the bottom, now I'm here in the finals Hot like the singer, fake, I'm singer klinger I'm flexible upon the beat like the what? Yes! Sofa nembobo sesikhona Thoba nengoma ekusejonga Mafika izolo wena khona Mina ngithi Yes, sofa nembobo sesikhona Thoba nengoma ekusejonga Umafika izolo wena khona ZEEOLOGY Lelo gama la bitches asani Kuhlebela ingane khoneni uyithole seyijikiza sana Ngawu ikasi lami ungithola kadidisa sana Bisitsheri kushaye ngebombi mawukeri Akhiye mdala uthewa umushi kasilami idala ngaliphushe Nifu ufike epushe uzongithola nezami kuhlenzi kusha Mangihlezi ethembeni, ngihlezi kuleli lamahumusha Mangena esefeni, ngena kulesi amashakura I always wait and I meditate Cause God is great and I'm not a saint But I'm saved so I elevate You wanna slice of the steak, go ahead and grab a plate Pour some lemonade, but you ain't getting none of this cake Ezakwa Mashu singawu, yeah we rap that Mangiphethe mic pow to this rap cat Mkhumbane glass, ikeba no George ngibhanga konke Negazi mangena ubujoni bakhala bonke Yes! Sofa nembobo sesikhona Thoba nengoma ekusejonga Mafika izolo wena khona Mina Yes, sofa nembobo sesikhona Thoba nengoma ekusejonga Mafika izolo wena khona Wena sofa nembobo Awunathi sesikhona la Umafika izolo, imbobo yakhe incane sizoyivula ibe nkulu Wena sofa nembobo Woza, wenathi sesikhona la Ngawu, umafika izolo, imbobo yakhe incane sizoyivula ibe nkulu Yeah Tell it out wafethu Ngawu up in this Mangithi, nangempela Woza, nangempela Woza nangempela Woza nangempela Ongiphe Ngawu up in this niggas I hope you ready G
Ayona listen
Ayon Mashu I say Mashu
Foot fast Nigga Nangempela ngiyadlisa Uzongifonela unenkinga Mokopela ngiyagqiba
Somosha phela nezinja Full force, good choice Zitha zami ngayigida Sathana uyangilinga
Sometimes ngiyamziba
Nangempela Full force, good choice Zitha zami ngayigida Sathana uyangilinga Sometimes ngiyamziba
You are now about to witness the strength of street knowledge.
Z
Wanna clever come seize the hour 9/11 with them twin towers from 9 to 11 it's like 3 hours off fly to heaven I gotta feel the fire ride it out with my empire like Mkhumbane cause black is power oh hate to the new messiah no ways my hood retire back again and I'm shooting higher moving silent but the weed louder back in soda ain't no baby party if I make it rain it's no baby shower Mkhumbane ngiyadlisa uzongifonela unenkinga Mokopela ngiyagqiba somosha phela nezinja Foot force good choice zitha zami ngayigida Sathana uyangilinga Sometimes ngiyamziba Nangempela
Nothing
better. Full force, full choice. Zitazami ngayigida. Satan uyangilinga. But sometimes the bigger the dream, the quicker we move until we live the dream. The flick of the wrist, the thick of the cheese. I'm shining for real, my nigga. The bigger the bills, the realer the hustle, my nigga. You know the drill. Shaking the drop while I'm bumping the steel. You think you hot cause you popping the pill? Came from the bottom, I know how it feels. Throwing in the bottles to cleanse all my sin. I'm talking to God when I look in the mirror. That be the glory to one with no fear. Sharpen your spear. I'm Shaka Zulu and changing the gear. I'm Jacob Sumo when running a leader. 1, 2, 3, no. Nangempela ngehlisa zomfonelo nenkinga Mokopela ngegqiba somosha kuphela nezinja Full force, good choice, zitha zami ngayidida Satan uyangilinga, but sometimes ngiyamziba Nangempela Nangempela Full force, good choice, zitha zami ngayidida Satan uyangilinga, but sometimes ngiyamziba Ngabonga mfethu
No longer CANIS Major, but CANIS Makhunga. Let's go. Yeah. Shout out to Quicksand. Mchita some Laz. Check it. Anunnaki, flying past Abu Dhabi, paparazzi, try to snap for the Mali, try to get paid off and add through a Ponzi. Tanganani ngamanani angasugumi panzi, Illuminati. There's even Steve, Illuminati. Do you believe in me? I don't even believe in me. I'm just magnetism and electricity. The enemy knows, that's why they be shedding these loads. Next thing the Sheraton blows and your territory goes. 70s hoes, and we just ate them but charity throws. And what the fuck would a black middle class pretend to not even see? That's a stretch. We vehemently keep feeding the greed. We inhale, we can't even just breathe. Just inhale, mask on for people to see. Then follow suit like it's some series for G's. Or something. I cut through conversations ever since I stopped fronting. I'm CANIS Major outside, but at home I got nothing. So I bypass the superficial pressure of not dropping. Cause if the stress is on overload, then I'll probably start dropping. My megahertz ain't fit for this metaverse. Fuck a NFT, I've been cherished ever since I first sped a verse. Not in my grandmother's basement, my granny had no basements. In no forum black ass, but at least it ass kinda spacious. Like these rhymes and they placements, and my mind is just racing while you standing adjacent like a man in his apron trying to handle the bacon. Scramble the terms, what's they planning to making in this hasty generation of Senzos and Jasons. But then again, aren't we a rainbow nation? Say, aren't we a rainbow nation? Get about for me. Somebody gotta get this round 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 for me. Somebody gotta. CANIS Major rapping greater. CANIS Makhunga. Let's go. Zakren. Yeah. Trick up your sleeves, break free, leave cuff lane. Shit got to be paying me something. Hip hop belief, straight as a go-getter. Yeah. Christopher Reeves ain't even seen nothing. Philosophy save me from being stuck in this hard to reach place. Got souls fed up. Yeah. Trick up your sleeves, break free, leave cuffling. Shit got to be paying me something. Hip hop belief straight as a go-getter. Christopher Reeves ain't even seen nothing. Philosophy save me from being stuck in this hard to reach place. I got souls fed up. Hip hop parade, we got to pray, we got to breathe and meditate. We got to step, don't hesitate to get your dreams and elevate. My papa told me to be flawless till 25. The biggest thing I could ever do is to stay alive. The psychology is embedded in a steady mind. If I could take care of that, then I already shine. But now I'm 29 and I'm feeling stuck. No job to get a grind, so I am really fucked. No chicken licking if you petty as a sitting duck. No chick would even be thinking of giving you some niggas getting touched. Dying is a thing that I don't fear no more. I've been trying, but I don't think I'm getting there no more. Don't even cry for being at odds with my peers, though. Hey, trick up your sleeves, break free, leave cufflinks. Shit got to be paying me something. Hip hop believes straight as a go-getter. Ha 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 ha. Christopher Reeves ain't even seen nothing. Philosophy saved me from being stuck in this hard to reach place that got souls fed up. Yeah. Trick up your sleeves, break free, leave cufflinks. Shit got to be paying me something. Hip hop believes straight as a go-getter. Ha 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 ha. Christopher Reeves saved me. Check it out. Save me from being stuck in this hard to reach place that got souls fed up. Yeah. Hip hop parade. We got to pray. We got to breathe and meditate. We got to step. Don't hesitate to make your money, then spend away into your venture and your enterprise. Analyze the data of the scope of your endeavors that are televised. There's no revolution for the barrenized paradigm, the poor resolution for the ever trying. I put my CV just like my CV. I CC though plan A very much stronger than BC. You shouldn't put your eggs in one basket, you D-League. Life is a gamble and we don't know what we be. Mario is Queen Bee, who the fuck's Luigi? I'm more like Wonder Boys on shrooms with a beanie, feasibly. My stomach's crumbling for noodles at my cuckoo shack. This that voodoo rap, you can't Google that. Yeah. This that voodoo rap, you can't Google that. Thank you very much. Shout out to Toti by Nature, Rap Effect. Let's go.